worries. So it's definitely the hose. We know that you only do these hand tight, so it's not that we over tightened it and broke the hose. And it's clearly spraying from down underneath the threads, so it's not that it's leaking from up past the threads. It's coming out of the hose right there. And it's also not something that could have been done when we hooked it up, because when you install these get threaded in, then we run them down through the standpipe, the tube, and we're at the bottom, this thing gets held in place. These don't move, and these tighten onto these adapters, so it's 100% this supply line.